Gardening. Peppa and George are playing at Granny Pig's and Grandpa Pig's house. Grandpa, catch! Catch! What's this? Dinosaur. Girl, a dinosaur? Grandpa, what are you doing? I'm planting these seeds. Seeds? What do seeds do? Seeds grow into plants. I just make a little hole and put the seeds in, and I cover it with earth and water it. Everything in my garden grows from tiny seeds like this. Even a big apple tree. Oh, yes, this tiny seed will grow into a little apple tree like this. Oh, and that little apple tree will grow into a big apple tree like this. Ouch! And inside the apple are more seeds to make more apple trees. Excitedly, Grandpa, I want to plant a seed. Would you like to plant a strawberry seed? Yes, please. This seed will grow into a lovely strawberry plant. First, make a little hole. Then put the seeds in and cover it with earth. Shall I water it for you? No, I want to water it. Good. Now we wait for it to grow. Peppa and George are waiting for the seeds to grow. It's not doing anything. You will have to be patient, Peppa. It will take a long time to grow. Peppa, George, it's time to go home. But we are waiting for my strawberry plant to grow. I want strawberries for tea. Don't worry, Peppa. Next time you come, the seeds will have grown into a plant, and we will have strawberries. Yes. Come on, Peppa. Bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye, strawberry. Grandpa Pig looks after Peppa's strawberry plant. After many days, Grandpa Pig finds a tiny plant grow. Day by day, the plant is growing bigger and bigger. Then one day, Grandpa Pig finds something very special. Strawberries. Grandpa, we're back. Peppa and George are come to play again. Grandpa, did my plant grow? Yes, look. Ooh, strawberries. Thank you, Grandpa. Grandpa, can we plant something else? Yes, now it's George's turn to choose. Yes, George. Just you, George. Choose a carrot. Grandpa, I think George wants to grow a carrot. George, would you like to grow a carrot? No. What would you like to grow? George has thought of something he wants to grow. Dinosaur. George wants to grow a dinosaur tree. Silly George. Dinosaurs don't grow on trees. Dinosaur.